This is a reminder. We might have actually chatted about this in a previous show, but you can bulk update domains so you can get a list of pages and then you can just select them all and update domain. We've got a screenshot in the show notes. So why am I talking about this? Well, we went live with a couple more sites for clients in a week or two ago, and I was just like, oh yeah, there's the update domain. Great reminder. So makes things easier. What's a standard use case? Let's say you're moving from staging, pushing staging live, and then you might have some existing pages you want to change the domain on. Perhaps you're moving from WordPress to HubSpot, so the domain wasn't in HubSpot before. And then the other one is, what's if you've got a whole bunch of pages, say an old version of the website, you want to archive them. We'll often archive or unpublish, but maybe you just want to move them onto a backup subdomain, backup.domain kind of thing. Sometimes people just update those domains for those because they want to keep them around for a month or so to compare. Lots of little examples there.